So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Morning guys, so today we're going to be doing another tutorial. We're going to be playing with new makeup. You guys know I'm always late to the bandwagon, but here I am. Today we're going to be using the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm also going to be using a new foundation. I'm going to be trying out the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I have this in the shade Maple. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and try out some of these products. Alright, so I already have my brows on. We are going to go ahead and start blending in the eyeshadow. Okay guys, so we're going in with the color H.O.E. That's the first shade. It's pretty gloomy outside, actually, so I don't know how well I'm gonna have daylight, but for the most part, how are you guys doing? I hope you're staying at home and staying, you know, safe and healthy. And thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos. Like,
hey,
yeah,
what color is fun?
it's pink.
Oh,
She loves my can you put it back?
where is one?
I put H.O.E. all up in my crease, and now I'm just gonna take the Supreme shade on the outer edge right here, this one. I'm just gonna kind of go on top of that. We are gonna go for a more like smoky purple look, but still kind of, you know, appropriate for spring. Now that we have Supreme kind of like, you know, the top part, I want to add the white shade underneath my brow bone, and I'm just gonna add that right, and I'm basically just setting. And then I'll just take a brush and blend it off. I mean, like, it doesn't have to be that intense. I mean, you can make it as intense as you want, but hopefully you guys can see it. And I'm working on my lighting. I'm just gonna go back in and add another headliner and come right back. Okay, so now I'm just buffing the headliner. There's some sunshine. You know what? I was gonna say, guys, my mom would always line or like highlight her underbrow with like white back in the day, and I would tell her like that's not okay to do because it was just like so harsh, but now it's like kind of a thing. Alright guys, so the next color that I'm adding is Unicorn Tribe. I'm gonna pick up some of that Unicorn Tribe. Now I did freshly re-layer the base because I wanted it to be a little tacky and I really wanted this to cling, so I'm just tapping it, making sure I cover all over. So on this eye, I'm gonna be adding just a touch up of Believe, which is what I have next to this Unicorn Tribe. And I just take it, show you guys, and I just tap it right on top again. Okay, and I'm gonna go back on top of it. Okay. So now I'm gonna take a small shader brush, and I'm gonna take the color B.B.C, and I'm gonna start tapping it. Now I'm just gonna take it, and this is where it's fun. You just wing it out. Blend right up in that area, right up in here. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441 brush. I'm not familiar with these. Okay, come here. And then I'm just gonna blend this out. We're still gonna go back and darken it up. Lay back down, Believe. Okay, come here.
No, you come here.
So now I'm just gonna add Beast, which is my Beast over here. Okay. So I'm just gonna start like adding black. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and blend this out. Okay, so I just put the smoky black color in Beast on my eye. Now I'm just gonna take a Neutrogena makeup wipe and I'm just gonna kind of clean up my edges. I kind of already did this side, so I'm just gonna try and so yeah, I think it's somewhat decent. It still looks pretty scary to me, guys. So we are gonna go ahead and put our liner on and some very bouffant lashes, that's for sure. And I'm just kind of touching it to fill it in with black. Now we're gonna add our Inglot eyeliner in number 77. This is a black gel, and our MAC mascara in 3D third dimension. I don't know, something like that. But I just take it on this, and then we're gonna take my Bobbi Brown eyeliner brush. I'm just gonna, and hopefully I get a smooth application. Let's see. Okay. I just like how pitch black this is versus liquid. So now I feel like I'm gonna start using this again, and you can kind of coat your lashes at the same time. It takes a little more time to use. I definitely think I like this a lot more, for sure, yeah. I have my eyes done, and basically that is the look, how I did it. I did just end up putting on a pair of Kiss lashes. Camisole is the lash. I just felt like they were most fitting for this type of a look. Kind of soften it a little more. Low-key, hardcore glam. So the foundation we're gonna use today is the new Becca. I have this in the shade Maple. I don't know if it's gonna be an exact match. It might be a little lighter, but today we're gonna be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. So let's go ahead. Now I do have it on the damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna spray a little more Fix Plus on it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the foundation. I'm just gonna do one pump. Okay, that's like, there we go. It does look like a beautiful shade of foundation. Oh. Oh. This is not bad at all. I was so worried. I do like more of a yellow shade. I'll just do the one side of my face so you can see a difference. So you don't need a lot. It is a full coverage foundation. You definitely need to work a little faster, I feel already, because I can feel it's drying. It's definitely gonna have more of a matte finish. And I did just use the Tatcha primer. It's amazing. All right, so let's get it cracking. This foundation is also very like, it's not thick. This has a denser consistency, if that makes sense. But it's not a thick foundation, but you do have to work very, very quick with it. And I mean quick. I just have such a radiant finish on my skin. And I really, really like this foundation. Okay, I'm gonna come back with my highlight and my contour, setting powder and everything, and then we'll wrap it up and see what my full thoughts are. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Basically, I did a complete full face tutorial. I never do full face makeup like this, even on a regular. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Kitty's just walking around in her little t-shirt. It's more dramatic, but it's beautiful. I think it came out really great. I used the Alyssa Edwards palette. This is a beautiful palette. So far I've been loving every Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This one is definitely making me love bright. I definitely feel bold. I definitely feel like a beast. And yeah, I feel beautiful. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Leave them down below in the comment box. And don't forget to thumbs up this video and also subscribe. All right guys, on our way to 10K. Thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.